We are sharing. Madam, my favorite say Kaizer Chiefs. More South Africa. Omo Baha na area. Omo Babes Sreyura officially na Oma Sreyura Boku Kotoko. Na omne akwa South Africa. Ni akwa akwa Toyota Cup. Ewo South Africa. No mbedru anopai. No mbedru yenu so omoko University of Kwame Nkrumah University. Primary school hall. No omoko ye donation and soccer outreach program ho. No movie and on some oba aba bekra ira no match ano. Na omo de referee Chief Moktan Kaizer Chiefs owner of Free South Africa and so omo de the replica jersey the aba bekra ira na anopeya so eyan say Zulu King say about the bandia we see ira team about the banner ono akasa de nkrofo ebe aba bishia e be bedru ho no ma enti eba so a ye ma ira so nte se omo aba beji awa wa tu se ye ba ni die mu enti eba ya emanye.
Good afternoon. My name is Kabelo Busilong, representing Kaizer Chiefs, and officially I'd like to say thank you for welcoming us to your beautiful country and to Kumasi, to the Ashanti region. And on behalf of the chairman from Kaizer Chiefs, Dr. Kaizer Mutaung, officially we would like to invite you to come and play in the Toyota Cup next week. It would be an honor for us to host Asante Kotoko for the two clubs with very rich histories in football in Africa. For us, this is an exciting match, and we hope to work together on exciting projects in the future to assist one another, as we should be enemies on the pitch, but off the field, we should be partners and collaborate. So I'd like to introduce the delegation. This is Stanton Fredericks. He used to be a Kaizer Chiefs player and a national team player. He played in Moscow, he played in Greece, and he also played in Switzerland, yes, after he played with Kaizer Chiefs. Then we have Siyabonga Nombete. Okay, I don't have to introduce him, I see. That's our legend, Siyabonga Nombete, Bafana legend. Both the players have played in Kumasi against the Black Stars, so for them it's an honor to be back here in Kumasi. We went to see Baba Yara Stadium and they had many great memories that came up, so we're excited to be here. Thank you for honoring the invitation, and on behalf of Kaizer Chiefs, we'll see you next week in South Africa. Thank you, sir.
Kotoko and Kaizer Chiefs together, and I'm sure you have a collaboration together in respect of advancing football and bringing South Africa and Ghana also together. So I look forward to a successful competition. I trust my team, but I know Kaizer Chiefs is also a strong team. But they are coming to, where are you playing, Cape Town or Durban? So make sure you let them score, then they come here. I extend my regards to the Zulu King, and I thank him for also expressing the desire to expecting the team and everything. So I thank you for coming, and I look forward to a favorable, brotherly competition together. Thank you very much.
Opemsuo, Opemsuo.